Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now, there isn't a concrete way to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram, but I have an idea. I have this way of finding out who, among your friends at least, unfollowed you. Let's say it's someone you recently followed, and you told that someone that you're gonna follow each other back, and then later on that person unfollows you, but you can't really say that person followed you or unfollowed you. It's pretty simple if you have a target in mind of who unfollowed you. But if you don't, then that's gonna be a bit difficult. Now I'm gonna show you what I usually do. Let's say I have a connection with someone. I go over to my following over here and just look at the people that I follow. So these are some people that I have some connection with. Let's say I'm gonna go over and look at this one over here, like this account, Davao Language Academy. If I go here on the top right, you can see that you have all these options. Now let's compare it when someone follows you. For example, this person here, Oscar Who. If you go to the top right corner again to click the three dots, you'll see that there's this option called remove follower, which removes them from your follower list, and in result makes them no longer a follower of your account. Is that easy to understand? So what happens here is that when someone is following you, you'll see that there's a remove follower button. But however, if it's someone that is not following you, but you're following that person, it will not show a remove follower button because there's no follower to remove because you're not following that person. I mean, you're not being followed by that person. For example, this one over here, it says remove follower. That means she's following me. So again, there is no concrete way to find out this. If there's one more, it's about comparing to lists, which is downloading your entire information on Instagram, which is a bit too much. But you might believe that there are some bots or AI that can do this, but unfortunately there are none. So it's gonna be up to you seeing thinking things through. Don't, maybe not overthinking it, but like just comparing. Just have a target in mind and check if there's a remove follower button on their account on the settings on the top right corner. And that's my way. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.